Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I should have a very quick video for you guys. I got another random box in the mail, and I believe this is one of the many items that I requested from INFLUENSTER. If you don't know what INFLUENSTER is, you can join it for free. It's an app on your phone. Basically, it's product reviews. You fill out your profile with the hiccups, sorry. Ooh, got the hiccups, guys. Go through a ton of questions and stuff, indicate your interests and all that. You start reviewing anything and everything you can get your hands on, anything in your house. Start reviewing, you earn points, blah, 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 blah. Periodically, they will match you for potential campaigns. You have to very quickly go in and grab what's available if you want it, because it's kind of released at the same time to just about a huge demographic, and there's usually only a certain number of these products available. People have gotten things like full-size laundry machines, dryers, washers. They've gotten stoves, refrigerators, big ticket items, all the way down to you get a free candle. So I am in the free candle section of the INFLUENSTER. A lot of it is demographics, where you live, your age bracket, all that good stuff. But this should be, I think it's going to be something like hand lotions or something. I did sign up to get a couple of items. I've gotten I got the Bee Bellbird. This is that personal alarm I unboxed. I did get the Tom Ford gel eyeliner. And I do have more stuff coming. This, to me, it feels like, I think I was signing up to get like a gift set of, I think it's lotions or something. Maybe it's body wash. I don't really remember exactly, but I think that's what's in here. And it's a very unmarked box. So let's go ahead and cut it open and see what we got. Okay. Again, nothing's on the box. Okay, yep. Take it out. Ditch the box. This is Beloved, a vegan hand lotion set. There are 3 1-ounce hand lotions, so nice travel size. The fragrances are cherry blossom and tea rose, coconut and warm vanilla, and then lavender and chamomile tea. Kind of a cute gift set, I would say. Something that you could give for the holiday season. So on the back says, pamper yourself in a moment of bliss with Beloved fragrant hand creams. Cherry blossom and tea rose. It says this one's for the floral lovers. This fragrance blooms with cherry blossom and pink peony with the delicate notes of tea rose and white musk. This fragrance offers one-of-a-kind pampering and indulgent experience. For the coconut and warm vanilla, it says, take some me time with this nourishing fragrance. Blend of rich coconut milk, warm vanilla, and nutmeg give away indulgence. Unwind with the notes of sweet honey and sandalwood. And then the last one, which is this one over here, lavender and chamomile tea, says calmness awaits. Lavender, lemongrass, and chamomile work together in this fragrance to offer you an escape from the stressors of everyday life. Underlying notes of patchouli and vetiver round out the scent for a peaceful, tranquil experience. That's cool. I will definitely keep one of these probably in the car, and probably one of these in my purse. And then have one available here at home. Let's just go ahead, take a quick sniff test, if I can get them out of the box. I'm sure I need to take pictures, so I have to be careful I don't like bust everything, but boy, she doesn't want to come out. Come on. There we go. I will try to be gentle so I can get photos for my reviews. So I will be required to do reviews. If you don't complete your reviews, they tell you it renders you ineligible for further giveaway, or they're not really giveaways, further items. So you do have to read the fine description to see. Some of them require videos. Some of them require a whole lot of reviews on a ton of websites. My suggestion is determine, is the product that you're going to get for free worth the amount of effort that the campaign is requiring you to put into it. Some of them, they're not. They do ask you if you are willing to get sample sizes. I am not going to spend 45 minutes multiple website reviewing something that's a sample size. So I say no. Okay, so I'm just going to pop this one out. This is the cherry blossom and tea rose. I'm guessing these probably will have a, yeah, a safety seal on them. So can't smell anything. But that's nice. So that's the size that they are. There's the 3 of them. They're going to be this big. It's just an ounce. So perfect for your car, your purse. You get a little bit of hand lotion in there, but it's not taking up a huge amount of space, especially in your purse. So cool. It says it is vegan hand lotion, so that's awesome. Again, I'm going to put it back together because I need to get pictures, probably. So the app will tell you what all your requirements are. I am expecting more items. I think the most exciting thing I'm getting is, I'm supposed to be getting, we'll see if it shows up, is, I think it's a shower head. It's not Moen, it's a different brand, but I'm excited about that. That'll be really exciting. So, all right, this is it. This is my freebie. Told you guys this would be quick. Again, it's INFLUENSTER. If you're on there, let's be friends. If you're not, watch my link below. You can join through my link. Again, it's part of building up points and stuff. If you join through my link, you're going to get some points for knowing me. I'll probably get a couple points or whatever, but you need to have points to level up. So if you're on there, let me know. Let's connect. And yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Hope you're having a good one. I still have a bunch more mail to unbox with you guys, so we will keep doing that, all right? All right, have a great week, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everybody.